Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today we have not one but two new messages from Lantos announcing new knowledge that's going to be coming forth over the next few months. So this is exciting for us. We don't know all the information yet, but I'm sharing with you everything that we do know at this time. So a couple of days ago, Lantos gave Cindy this message. Greetings, dear ones. These are the days of knowledge. These are the days of the great cosmic assembly of light, the conclave of great beings to bring forth the direction of light for Earth, establishing the direction of light, the direction of knowledge, the direction of energy for the year ahead. This is the year of the radiant golden form of creation. In this year, the deepest layers of creation are enlivened. Supreme knowledge of the source is revealed. In the year of the golden form, the Great Scrolls of Illumination are established. 3 scrolls revealing the teachings of the awakening of fullness within the traces of empty, within the boundaries of the realm of material form. This is the year of the golden form of creation. With the enlivenment of initial rotations throughout the world, 1 million strong, the world shall receive sublime showers of knowledge, luminous showers of radiance, supreme rays of blessings of the great star emanating to all forms of existence. The year of the golden form. The year of supreme accomplishment on the material layer of form. With this wave of illumination comes a wave of supreme knowledge. Great Scrolls of Illumination. We shall assemble a panel of great minds, great hearts, luminaries to generate these precious scrolls, precious teachings. 3 scrolls. Teachings of the journey of the source. Teachings of our beloved master teacher Tot. 3 scrolls, 1 for each gate location. In the language of the location of the gate, each scroll shall contain supreme knowledge. The knowledge is the same. The knowledge is brought forth in 3 languages. The language of the central gate, the language of the gate of the east, and the language of the gate of the west. 3 expressions of 1. Yes, very good, very good. 3 expressions of 1. 3 sight. We shall assemble our panel of scholars. Under the guidance and direction of our beloved master teacher, our luminaries shall enliven these simple expressions. The profound is enlivened through golden pearls of knowledge. Simple expressions. The profound is located within the simple. Through the simple, the profound is realized. Now let us assemble a panel of our blessed masters skilled in the art of language. Language to identify and enliven the principles issued by our beloved master teacher and placed upon the great scrolls. Very good. Very good. Many blessings for this sublime year. So 3 scrolls, each containing the same knowledge, the same information, but in a different language. However, we don't actually know if there are going to be 3 different languages because the central gate is in Hawaii, and the language there should still be English. And the western gate is in Los Angeles, and the language there is English. So we think the 2 of them may use English, but we don't yet know. We'll find out in the coming days. We know for certain that the eastern gate of knowledge, those scrolls located at that gate of knowledge, will be written in Chinese. Okay, this message just came in a couple of hours ago, so this is brand new. Very good. 9 keys. Keys to the 9 gates of the Phoenix. Not less than supreme is the showering of blessings of this luminous knowledge. The way to profound fullness opens wide as the mighty golden form advances into the physical, material plane of existence, as the songs spread to 1 million, initiating spin on Earth. It is the year of the great advancement of the light of the source for all to enjoy. The year of the golden form of creation, that mighty form which enlivens all aspects of the way to the source. There are 9 pods, collections of the seeds. Each of the 9 pods contains 9 seeds. Entry into a pod is accelerated through the gate of the phoenix. Gates are 9 in number. Gates are transformations which exist between each pod, one leading to the next. Passing through the gate energizes that realm of seeds, that pod of seeds. It fertilizes the pod. The rings fertilize specific aspects of all seeds. The rings amplify values inherent within each seed, offering specific direction for collective, profound results. Enlivening a phoenix gate showers flaming golden balls of light upon the entrance into a specific realm. As one enters, one encounters a transforming shower of radiance, a bathing of light, renewal, and warmth. This knowledge comes to us in the weeks of the first quarter of this year. Every 9 days, knowledge of a phoenix gate shall be issued by our beloved Master Teacher, the great early being, responsible for knowledge of the 4 quarters of existence. The assembly of scholars will then discuss and translate these pearls of gleaming flames of knowledge. Knowledge purifies the knower. The purifying flame of knowledge transforms the traces of the boundaries into the vessels of the boundless, realized profound fullness. This is attainment of holy vision. One shall enliven the glorious radiance of each gate through the phoenix flame, a phrase utilized with the song and the bio-trinity, a phrase associated with a specific pod, performed in the language of the land. Yes, issuing the phoenix flame in the language of the land enlivens universal and localized forces of creation. Universal values are enlivened, and at the same time, vibrations of sound familiar to the region call upon localized energies, values of nature responsible for supporting material form at hand. Awakening local values generates material support. The song awakens all values contained within the seeds. That is to say, all values of creation. The bio-trinity mobilizes the energy throughout the pod. The phoenix flame glorifies the initiate, the one initiating spin, initiating intent, and nourishes the passage into the realm of the pod. The beloved supreme song and the blessed bio-trinities open the 9 gates of the phoenix. The scrolls shall depict this passage through the gates, through the pods, through the seeds. The writings on the scroll shall offer the vision of the journey returning to the source. The flame of the first gate shall be issued by our beloved Master Teacher Tot. 9 days following, the second flame of the phoenix shall be presented. The sequence continues. Every 9 days, a gate shall open through the supreme wisdom of our beloved Master Teacher. 9 flames. The first gate is associated with the seeds 72 through 81. The bio-trinity of this pod is light violet. The second pod is associated with the sunrise energy bio-trinity. The third pod is first rays. The fourth pod is green. The 5th pod is blue. The 6th pod is silver. The 7th pod is gold. The 8th pod is white. Reaching the 9th pod, seeds 1 through 9, there shall be a new biotrinity, the biotrinity of holy vision. This shall contain the 3 values of golden, yellow, rose, and blue. This trinity purifies in the phoenix flames of knowledge. 3 values, 3 sight, 108, holy vision. This is the garland of the phoenix. 9 flames, 9 gates open to the source. Very good. Very good. Many blessings. So like I said, a lot of information, exciting information, a lot of great supreme knowledge is going to be coming forth in the coming weeks and the next few months. I wanted to explain a few things on this and highlight one phrase as we close today's lecture. Many of you already have a lot of the biotrinities. Many of you have at least the original 5 colors of the biotrinities. In addition to that, many of you have the silver, the gold, and the white biotrinity. Then that leaves one remaining biotrinity, a 9th biotrinity. That one we have not yet produced yet, but we're going to be doing that in the coming weeks because we have about 72 days to be able to complete that. Okay, that we will keep you updated on all of that. And I don't know when this time period is going to start, but just looking briefly at the calendar and going off of what Lantos said, that this is coming forth within the first quarter of this year. That means that there's a good chance that we are going to start this process on Sunday of, well, this coming Sunday. I don't know that for sure, so I can't say that that's what we're planning, but it is possible that we will be starting this that early. And just keep in mind, let's take a look at the biotrinities. The first biotrinity is light violet. If you don't have a light violet biotrinity and you want to be able to start this with the group, you're probably going to need to call into the office and order a light violet biotrinity. But again, most of you already have the first 5 colors, and then you also have the silver, the gold, and the white biotrinity. And if you don't, call into the office and we can take care of that for you. Okay, everyone, just to close with one sentence that Lantos gave at the beginning of this message that highlights how important this knowledge is that is coming forth at this time. Not less than supreme is the showering of blessings of this luminous knowledge. Okay, everyone, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak with you again on Sunday.